First you want to some void, frost, and fire
I have
salt.
several elixirs for sale. So you're interested in my potions and ingredients?
You need 4 of the corresponding salts for 10 arrows. Then chop some firewood, 1 firewood for 10 arrows.
May the gods watch over your battles, friend. Not bad. Reminds me when I first started smithing.
Skip
Whatever
ahead to
you
2
need.
minutes to see how to get the telekinesis, arrows, and spell.
It's simple and strong. I can forge it.
I believe I've made my... You may be used to the Empire.
May the gods watch over your battles, friend. Whatever you need. Buy you smear.